Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a glass mirror advertising sign from the Town Tavern Whiskey Company. This is something that was made so that people would use it as a mirror, but also check out their advertising. If you're into any type of vintage advertising or Ruania, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.